2020 marks the 52nd anniversary of the 1968 landmark Fair Housing Act. Each year, realtors, recognize the significance of this event and reconfirm our commitment to upholding fair housing laws, as well as our commitment to offering equal professional service to all in our search for real property. If you have not read the Fair Housing Declaration in a while, I encourage you to do so. Every real estate licensee in Arizona is required to take a minimum of 3 hours of continuing education in fair housing each renewal period, so you are already well versed in fair housing issues. What can AAR impart to our members regarding their duty to offer equal services to all and thereby provide consumers with equal opportunity in housing? Article 10 states, Realtors shall not deny equal professional services to any person for reasons of race, color, religion, sex, handicap, familial status, national origin, or sexual orientation. Realtors shall not be parties to any plan or agreement to discriminate against a person or persons on the basis of race, color, religion, sex, handicap, familial status, national origin, sexual orientation, or gender identity. Amended 1/14. You are therefore reminded that regardless of your client's race, color, religion, sex, handicap, familial status, national origin, or sexual orientation, they are entitled to the same level of care and service that you take pride in offering. In the March 2013 Code Talk column, members discussed the mechanics of listing agreements, ancillary forms for listings, MLS dissemination, and advertising through the Internet as it pertains to the Code of Ethics. Standard of Practice, SOP, 10 Talker 3 relates to listings, as well as stating, Realtors shall not print, display, or circulate any statement or advertisement with respect to selling or renting of a property that indicates any preference, limitations, or discrimination based on race, color, religion, sex, handicap, familial status, national origin, sexual orientation, or gender identity. Adopted 194, renumbered 105 and 106, amended 114. The late Mary Lee Greason, a Tucson realtor and fair housing educator, offered some sage words of advice. In advertising our listings, we need to remember the advice I heard years ago from an attorney who prosecuted fair housing violations. Stick to the amenities of the property and not the people who might live there. The Department of Housing and Urban Development shared 2 scenarios which may constitute housing discrimination. A gay man is evicted because his landlord believes he will infect other tenants with HIV/AIDS. That situation may constitute illegal disability discrimination under the Fair Housing Act because the man is perceived to have a disability, HIV/AIDS. A property manager refuses to rent an apartment to a prospective tenant who is transgender. If the housing denial is because of the prospective tenant's nonconformity with gender stereotypes, it may constitute illegal discrimination on the basis of sex under the Fair Housing Act. Finally, a reminder that Article 10 and SOP 10-4 extends discrimination to cover employment in real estate offices. As used in Article 10, real estate employment practices relates to employees and independent contractors providing real estate-related services and the administrative and clerical staff directly supporting those individuals.